You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing dinosaur names, many mispronounced, so stay tuned to learn more. So for reference, in French it's said as Dubreuillosaurus. Dubreuillosaurus. Yes, the initial name is of French origin. It's said as Dubreuil, Dubreuil or Dubreuil. So in English, Dubreuillosaurus, Dubreuillosaurus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.